In today's video, I will walk you through how to adjust camera and audio settings in Zoom. Before you begin, make sure the Zoom desktop app is open and you're on the main dashboard. To access the settings you need, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the small gear icon. This opens the settings panel where you can manage the camera and audio devices Zoom uses. Okay, once you're in settings, select the Video and Effects tab. Here, you'll see a live preview of your camera feed, making it easy to check what your camera's showing before you join a meeting. If you have more than one camera connected, use the Camera drop-down menu to choose the one you want to use. Select the camera you plan to use most often so Zoom remembers your choice for future meetings. Okay, so if the camera preview doesn't look right, adjust your lighting or move slightly until your face is centered and well lit. You'll also see options for video appearance and background effects. These settings are available if you want to make changes, but keep in mind they may use extra processing power on older computers. Okay, if you need to change your camera, use the available device list and select the one you want. If your camera doesn't appear in the list, check that it's connected properly and make sure another application isn't using it in the background. On some systems, you may also need to allow camera access in your computer's privacy settings before the device appears in Zoom. Okay, while you're still in the settings window, locate the audio device options. Depending on the version of Zoom you're using, the microphone and speaker selections may appear alongside the video controls or in a separate section within settings. Okay, so choose the microphone you want other people to hear you through. Then select the speaker or headset you want to use for listening during meetings. If you connect a different headset or audio device later, return to this area and select it so Zoom uses the correct device. If people tell you they can't hear you during a meeting, check that the correct microphone is selected. If the right microphone is already selected, make sure the input volume isn't set too low. Okay, after you've selected the camera, microphone, and speaker you want to use, you can close the settings window. Zoom will save your selections and remember them for future meetings, so you won't need to choose the same devices every time. And that's all you need to do. Click the gear icon to open settings, go to the Video and Effects tab. Choose the camera you want to use, then check your microphone and speaker selections in the audio settings. Once those devices are set, you're ready for your next Zoom meeting with the camera and audio settings you selected.